everyone, welcome to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can log out from your Gmail account. So for that, first of all, you open the Gmail account of yours. You are currently logged in into your Gmail account. So for you to log out, tap on the profile icon on the top right. From the option, you need to tap on manage accounts on this device. Tap that. Now this will show you all the Gmail accounts that you have been logged in into this mobile device. You tap open the account that you want to log out. Then here you need to tap on the remove account option. Tap that. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contact and other data from phone. You tap on remove account. With this, the currently logged in Gmail account will get logged out. So this is the process for how you can log out Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.